Alright, let's cut through the noise and get straight to the facts. You've seen the flashy ads online, maybe you've caught a late-night TV commercial and you might be wondering, does Eroxon Gel really deliver instant results, or is it just another overhyped promise in a crowded market? I've done the homework so you don't have to. I've dug into the science, read the reviews, and checked out what real users are saying. Here's what you need to know, straight up, without any sugarcoating. Eroxon is marketed as an instant erection gel, promising to help men achieve firmness quickly and conveniently. The pitch is simple: apply a small amount directly to the penis, and within minutes, increased blood flow means you're ready for action. No complicated routines, no swallowing pills, just a topical solution that claims to work fast. No pills, no waiting, just fast results that fit into your lifestyle, whether you're planning ahead or need a quick boost. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? It's natural to be skeptical, especially with so many products making big promises. So, how does it actually work? Let's break down the science behind the claims. The active ingredients in Eroxon target sensory nerves and help relax blood vessels in the penis. This basically means more blood flows where you want it, when you want it, making it easier to achieve and maintain an erection. Users often report feeling a tingling, warming sensation within a minute or two of application, which is a sign that the gel is starting to work. Some say it works in as little as 60 seconds, which is impressively fast compared to traditional options. For others, it can take up to 5 minutes. But let's talk about the results and what you can realistically expect. Clinical studies show a significant number of men experienced firmer erections faster than with a placebo. That's a win for anyone looking for a quick solution, especially in moments when timing matters. In real-world use, reviews are mixed, but a lot of guys swear by it, especially if you struggle with occasional performance anxiety or want to boost confidence without planning ahead. Some men say it's become their go-to for spontaneous moments, while others use it as a backup plan. Now here's the truth: Eroxon isn't a miracle cure. It's not going to solve every problem, and it's not a substitute for addressing underlying health issues. If you have underlying health issues like diabetes, nerve problems, or cardiovascular concerns, results might vary. Your body's response can depend on a lot of factors, so don't expect identical results for everyone. And it's not a replacement for prescription ED medication if your doctor recommends something else. Always follow medical advice and use Eroxon as a supplement, not a substitute for professional treatment. Application is easy and straightforward. Just squeeze out a pea-sized dab, massage it in gently, and wait a couple of minutes. The process is discreet and can be done quickly, even if you're short on time. No weird smell, no sticky mess, and you're good to go. Cleanup is simple, and the gel absorbs quickly, so you don't have to worry about residue. But don't overdo it. Using more gel doesn't mean better or faster results. Stick to the recommended amount for best effects, and always check the ingredient list for allergies or sensitivities. If you have sensitive skin or a history of reactions, do a patch test first. So, is Eroxon a game changer? For some men, absolutely, especially if you want a fast, discreet boost without the hassle of pills or planning ahead. For others, it's just one tool in the toolbox. It might not replace other treatments, but it can be a helpful option for those looking for flexibility and convenience. Ultimately, it's about finding what works best for you. My honest advice? Try it if you're curious, but keep your expectations realistic, and don't hesitate to consult your doctor if you have any concerns or ongoing issues. Open communication with your healthcare provider and your partner is key. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek support if you need it. Alright, that's the real talk on Eroxon Gel. No hype, just facts and honest advice. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more honest reviews and straightforward health tips. Stay safe, stay confident, and I'll catch you in the next one. Remember, your health and confidence matter. Take care of yourself.